Hi, everyone. I'm Ivan Martinez, and I'm one of the senior product managers here at Latera. Today, I will be showing the newly launched Metadact app for Microsoft 365. For those of us who may not be as familiar with Metadact, Metadact is a metadata cleaning and data loss prevention solution. There is a desktop component for batch cleaning of files and folders, and an Outlook integration that allows for cleaning locally or on a Metadact server. The Metadact server itself integrates directly with Exchange, either with an Exchange server on your network or Exchange Online, and captures all outbound email, including email sent from mobile devices. And with this latest release of Metadact version 5.10, there is now a Metadact app for Microsoft 365. What you see now is a new email message composed directly in Microsoft 365, or more specifically, Outlook for Web. The Metadact for Microsoft 365 add-in has been installed by my administrator in my Outlook environment. I can see it listed in my add-in section of my More Options button. And if I press the Latera Metadact button, I can also see the task pane with the options made available to me by my administrator. If needed, I can make changes here, such as turning cleaning off or on, or changing the message display options. Typically, I would not have to enter the task pane unless there was a specific reason to do so. So I'll close out the task pane, and we can see the actual app in use. I have 5 files, and I'll attach them to the email. They are standard Office files, a password-protected Word document, and a PDF. Once I'm done composing the email with all the relevant information, I then press the Send button. At this point, the attached files are being uploaded directly to the Metadact server to be analyzed. When the analysis is complete, the risk factor and content risk sections are displayed with the appropriate details and color coding for high risk, medium risk, or low risk metadata. At the top of the window, there is a timer that counts down, allowing me to make any choices as needed, but not stopping the email from being cleaned and sent if my attention is somehow diverted during the allotted time. Any messages, such as the one you see here for the password-protected file, are shown, giving me the ability to act as necessary. In this case, I need to enter a password for the file to be analyzed and cleaned, which I will do now. The file is then reanalyzed and the results are displayed. All that's left for me now is to choose the cleaning action that has been configured by my administrator. I can leave the default option, or I can change an option for all files. If needed, I can also change the file options individually. When I'm happy with my choices, I then press the Send button to send the email. And it is at this point that the cleaning of the files is performed on the Metadact server. You can see the progress of this via the counts at the top left of the email. When the cleaning is complete, the clean files are then reattached to the email, and the email is sent to the recipient. As you can hopefully see, this new Metadact app from Microsoft 365 is a great addition to the many features available within Metadact, allowing me to ensure my files are protected and cleaned of metadata, regardless of where they're being sent from.